Welcome to the Rustic Black Cabin Retreat, where bold design meets the warmth of cozy living. Nestled in the heart of nature, this cabin is an ideal escape from the everyday hustle. With its dark, striking exterior and inviting interior, it's a place that feels both rugged and comforting, blending modern style with rustic charm. The design of the cabin respects its environment, with large windows and open spaces that allow for a seamless connection to the outdoors. The surrounding forest, with its towering trees and lush greenery, becomes an extension of the living space. Every glance through the windows offers a new view of nature's beauty, making you feel truly immersed in the wilderness. Inside, natural materials complement the black exterior. Raw wooden beams, stone details, and rustic accents bring warmth and texture to the space. The color palette is kept neutral to emphasize the natural beauty of the surroundings while maintaining the boldness of the black cabin's exterior. The interior of the cabin is where the magic of coziness happens. While the black exterior may seem bold, inside, it's all about comfort. Soft furnishings like plush rugs, overstuffed couches, and warm lighting create an inviting atmosphere. The design emphasizes a simple, open plan, with plenty of room to breathe, offering a sense of calm after a long day. The use of wood inside the cabin creates a balance with the darker tones of the walls. The warmth of wooden accents on furniture and floors contrasts with the black walls, making the space feel grounded yet stylish. The combination of rustic charm and bold design makes the cabin a welcoming retreat for anyone seeking both comfort and elegance. One of the most striking features of this cabin is the seamless blend of modern and rustic elements. The minimalist design allows for clean lines and open spaces, while rustic details like exposed wood beams and stone fireplaces add character. This fusion of styles creates a timeless look that feels both current and enduring, offering a place to relax without sacrificing style. The furniture inside is thoughtfully chosen to reflect this blend of modern minimalism and rustic charm. Sleek, modern pieces with clean lines sit alongside vintage or handcrafted wooden furniture. This combination adds personality and soul to the space, creating an environment that feels both fresh and grounded. Black Cabin Retreat offers not just an interior space to unwind, but also an outdoor living experience. A spacious deck extends from the cabin, providing a perfect place to relax and enjoy the views of the surrounding landscape. Whether you're sipping your morning coffee or watching the sunset, the outdoors becomes an extension of the living space, enhancing the overall sense of serenity. In addition to the deck, a cozy fire pit area invites guests to gather around for evenings under the stars. The warmth of the fire contrasts with the cool, dark tones of the cabin, creating a perfect spot to enjoy the tranquil beauty of the night sky. This connection to nature is a key feature of the retreat. Lighting plays a crucial role in enhancing the atmosphere of the Black Cabin Retreat. Thoughtful placement of lights throughout the interior brings out the textures of the natural materials while adding a layer of warmth to the space. Soft pendant lights, sconces, and strategically placed floor lamps create a cozy and inviting ambience, perfect for unwinding after a day outdoors. The cabin also features large glass doors that let in an abundance of natural light during the day, creating a bright, airy space that contrasts beautifully with the dark walls. At night, the lights turn the cabin into a warm sanctuary, casting gentle shadows and making it the perfect place to relax and reconnect with nature. While the Black Cabin embraces bold design, it also integrates sustainable features that make it an eco-friendly retreat. The use of reclaimed wood for interior finishes and furniture adds character and reduces the environmental impact. By incorporating energy-efficient design elements, the cabin offers a sustainable lifestyle while still maintaining its rustic charm. The design emphasizes responsible construction and the use of natural, locally sourced materials. This approach not only supports the environment but also enhances the cabin's connection to its natural surroundings. Every element of the cabin reflects a commitment to preserving the beauty of the landscape while offering a stylish and functional living space. The kitchen in this rustic black cabin is the heart of the home. It's a space where modern appliances meet rustic charm. The deep, dark cabinetry is complemented by a large wooden island, offering ample space for cooking and gathering. The kitchen's layout encourages socializing, making it the perfect spot for family meals and casual entertaining. Natural materials are used throughout, from the stone countertops to the wooden shelving, which adds texture and warmth to the space. Even the black cabinetry adds to the cabin's bold aesthetic, balancing both modern sophistication and the timeless appeal of rustic design. The kitchen exudes both style and functionality, making it an inviting space for all. Every corner of the black cabin is designed for relaxation, from the spacious living room to the tranquil bedrooms. The living room, with its large windows and comfy seating, is the perfect place to unwind after a day of outdoor adventure. The minimalistic design ensures that the focus is on the natural beauty outside, while the cozy furnishings create a perfect environment for curling up with a book or enjoying good company. The bedrooms are equally designed with relaxation in mind. The calming black walls are softened by soft, comfortable bedding and plush pillows, creating a restful retreat. The simplicity of the design encourages a peaceful sleep environment, where the focus is on comfort and serenity. The use of black throughout the cabin is not only a design choice but a statement of strength and elegance. Black, a bold and dramatic color, sets the tone for the entire retreat, making the space feel grounded yet expansive. It creates a sense of sophistication and timelessness, allowing the natural beauty of the surrounding landscape to shine. The cabin offers various gathering spaces, both indoors and outdoors, to bring people together. The living room, with its inviting sectional sofa and a large stone fireplace, is the perfect place to cozy up during cold evenings. It's an area designed to encourage conversation and connection, with warm lighting and plenty of comfortable seating for family and friends. Outside, the deck and fire pit provide additional spaces for socializing and enjoying nature. Whether hosting a dinner party or simply relaxing under the stars, these areas make it easy to enjoy the company of others while still feeling connected to the natural beauty that surrounds the cabin. As we wrap up this tour of the perfect rustic black cabin retreat, it's clear that bold design and cozy living can coexist harmoniously. This cabin is a sanctuary where simplicity, natural materials, and striking aesthetics come together to create an ideal space for relaxation and connection with nature. Whether you're looking for a weekend getaway or a permanent retreat, this rustic black cabin offers the perfect escape. The combination of rustic charm and modern style makes this cabin a timeless retreat, where every element is thoughtfully chosen to enhance the experience of living in harmony with nature. The bold black design makes a lasting statement, while the cozy interior ensures you always feel at home.